Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to adjust audio volumes in Clipchamp. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for clipchamp.com and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, you will see this kind of interface. Now if you want to create a new video, you can click on this and make your new video. So I will show you how to adjust the audio in Clipchamp. So select the video and now here you can see the audio option. By click on this, a new list is open and by here you will see there are several music options. Just select any of these, drag it and drop here. Now adjust the audio according to the video and on the right side you will see the audio option. Click on this and you are now able to adjust the volume. Adjust it and that's it. You have successfully know how to adjust volume in Clipchamp. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.